Welcome to the next section. We are going to learn what is a database. First, before we actually start learning SQL, the first step is what is a database? Uh, Database, in short, you can say it's a place where you store data, right? Um, Assuming there are a lot of data points in your data set, and how do you really this is your business, let's say. This is your business, and your business is doing a lot of data points. Where do you want to store it? You want to basically store it in a database. How do you store it? There are a lot of concepts to it. I mean, if you want to store your master data in a certain format or dimensional data in a certain format, that's a separate course by itself, and we are not going to get there. But assuming how we store is not a structure, and we know that it's tables and columns, as let's imagine that way. uh, for that example, let's take an example of a e-commerce company. An e-commerce company has a business process. Let's say they want to talk to the buyers, they want to talk to the suppliers, they have to show the products, and they get the order. They have to store all this information in a database. How do they want to store? They want to store all the orders from the orders separately. Who are all their individual customers, and what are all the products they are selling? As you see here, I split into three different tables just for our use case here already. Okay, a customer buys a product. Let me just draw here. Customer buys a product, places an order, and it gets delivered. I'm trying to make a truck here. Hopefully I make it very nice. Okay, it comes home and the customer is happy. What does it mean? There's a process. What is the process? Okay, customer. It's a customer. Which customer ordered this? We can find it from the customer's information database. What did he order? Probably he ordered a laptop. Okay, laptop is a product. It's from the product catalog. Where is all the product catalog? In the products database or the products table. Okay, and how many did he order? He just ordered one laptop today on 23rd May 2020, and it's been sent, shipped. Where is it being shipped? Probably you can have one more uh, table called address, and it's getting uh, probably address I would take back. I would say address should be in the customers table. So it would get shipped to that order would be shipped using the address information from the customer table, and it would get shipped to the final database. So I think you got the gist of what is a database. So logically, if there is a business process, based on the business process, let's convert that into a technical language and store information accordingly such that it can be accessed by different applications and made available for easy, not easy, but perfect or correct ability or accessibility. Now, who are the people who really maintain this database? There's a database administrator who maintains this database. He basically creates a database, creates these tables, and make sure they are used properly. There are developers who do proper SQL coding on top of it, such that the data loading from, let's say, a source to target happens. And this course is specifically for those who are on SQL analysts. So these analysts are the people, okay, once the information is here, like we just spoke about before, that hey, how many customers ordered laptop in last 15 days? Let's say if that is a question, you have analysts on top of it somewhere here, having different applications on top of it and working on it, right? So that is where this is. So hope you got the gist of database. I would just let me reiterate. Every company has a process, and based on that process, there is a technical data structure created for such that multiple applications can be used on top of it, and which will help their productivity at the end, right? So every business has a database, and business database is data is being stored. They can analyze the data, and probably they can see their road front. Okay. All right. So that is the introduction of database. Let's come to the next section. Bye. Meet in the next section. Bye.